This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Monday, August 13th, 2007. The European Central Bank said it would inject $65.2 billion in liquidity into the Eurozone banking system for a third day, sending the euro to session lows against the dollar and yen. Having taken the lead among central banks last week in pumping the global banking system with funds to stave off a short-term liquidity freeze, the ECB said it would act again, holding a one-day variable tender, but said money market conditions were normalizing. In other news, Goldman Sachs acknowledged steep losses at its Global Equity Opportunities Fund and said the firm and others are making a $3 billion investment in the fund. Global Equity Opportunities and other so-called quant funds or quantitative funds use a market-neutral strategy which aims to balance long positions with short trades or bets against securities. Others are so-called statistical arbitrage funds which analyze the historical relationship between related securities and trade when those relationships get out of whack. Accredited Home Lenders Holdings said it had sued private equity firm Lone Star Funds, seeking to force it to complete the $400 million takeover of the money-losing subprime mortgage lender. Lone Star had agreed in June to pay $10.15 per share for San Diego-based Accredited. On Friday, however, Lone Star said it would not go through with its buyout, citing a drastic deterioration in the financial and operation condition of the company. U.S. retail sales rebounded in July from a weak June. Total sales rose 0.3% in July. The consensus forecast of Wall Street economists was for retail to rise 0.4%. There were moderate gains across a wide range of stores, with weakness concentrated in auto and gas sales. Excluding autos and gas, retail sales rose 0.6% in July after remaining unchanged in the previous month. Excluding autos, sales rose 0.4% in July after falling 0.2% in June. Sears Holdings said its board of directors approved a $1.5 billion buyback. The $1 billion buyback announced last month is nearly complete. The new buyback is in addition to the $19 million worth of shares that remain available for repurchase under prior authorizations. Blackstone Group more than tripled its quarterly profits and revenue, helped by strength in its real estate and private equity divisions. The New York-based firm reported net income of $774.4 million for the second quarter ending June 30th, up from $224.1 million a year ago. Revenue surged to $975.3 from $324.6 million. Scheduled economic reports for Tuesday include the Producer Price Index for July, the Trade Gap for June. Scheduled earnings reports for Tuesday include Walmart, Home Depot, Applied Materials, Fossil, Agilent Technologies, Hughes Supply, and Kaiser Aluminum. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap for Monday, August 13th, 2007.